This is a calico cat that Jay, when we see her, he'll put treats down for her. And she was out this morning and he shook his treat container. The cats that get treats from it know what that means. And we walk away. And she came across, and she actually belongs to somebody here on Kennedy Drive. I don't know her name, but anyway, this little Callie kitty. And we have bunches of house sparrows enjoying the non-live mealworms. They really like that stuff, and it disappears real quick. Well, with that number. Okay, we're at the Blue Jays southern site. Jay put down a couple of live squishies. This guy's going to get both of them. We're at Fluffy's daytime hangout. This is where she's met us this morning. You leave the birds alone. We got your food. Okay, we're at Fluffy's feeding area. Buddy's here too, it looks like with his mate. Oh, dirt bath time.
Okay, sweetie. Just treat kitty. Treat kitty.
Okay, here's Buddy at Fluffy's area, getting the 3 mealworms that Chase put down. Live squishies. That's a beautiful bird. That's a good boy. Eat them. Yes, that's what they're for, eating. He dropped one on the other side of the fence. Okay, on the hillside behind the church, next to Alviso Adobe Park, we have a group of wild turkeys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have CC here at the park today. He's eating the treats that Jay left for him up on the rock wall, and then there's some food on the ground. We're back at Fluffy's. There we go. We got Buddy here at Fluffy's area. Jace put down live squishies. He's collecting. Excellent. Okay, we're at the elementary school on our return trip. And we have the 3 Canada Geese amigos. One that's in plain view here. One that's under the bench. You can just see his head moving around. And the other one's on the other end of the bench. You see the head moving around down there? That's the 3rd goose. Come on out. Okay, and they are over there.